Sherwood Dodge. This time we got a 2015 Ram Sport with just over 166,000 kilometers on it. One owner, Clean Carfax. On the front end, it's got the fog lamps, projection headlights for added safety going down the road at night. In the inside, it's got leather seating, which are heated, and a heated steering wheel. Keyless entry. It does have a sunroof, 8.4-inch screen with nav and Bluetooth. The seats are also ventilated. In the rear here, we have under-seat storage, as well as under-floor storage, removable, and flat floor option for both sides. In the rear, the beds got the spare bed liner. If you want any more information on this suite, you can contact Hanker Sherwood Dodge, 587-873-0112. Comment below or phone the dealership.